Yeah, the last day always sucks. I'm trying to get everything together and put all your clothes away and pack everything up, scouring the room, checking every little nook and cranny to make sure that you didn't forget anything. It always sucks. But, you know, it's time to go. All good things must come to an end. But this isn't the complete end of our Disney trip. We are heading out to Animal Kingdom today, so I'm very excited for that, and something for you guys to look forward to. We have a second Canon G7X Mark II. This is actually the original that I started with, and it is being given to Coda because she is heading on out to Animal Kingdom first. I gotta stay behind and continue working for just a little bit longer, and we will rendezvous with her later. But in the meantime, you guys will be getting a separate video from her perspective at Animal Kingdom. And may I ask why you are so excited to head over to Animal Kingdom today?
The baby rhino's out. Ranger's out. I want to go see him.
Okay. So I'm pretty sure you can expect to see a lot of footage from the safari, and heaven forbid she sees that rhino, you can expect a lot of squealing and possibly some crying. Then you will still cry regardless.
If he's not out, you guys will know. Crazy lady jumps off safari. Florida woman jumps off safari.
In search of baby rhino. Yeah, Coda will become the next Florida woman. It's inevitable. Alright, final checks of the room are complete. I got my pillow and stuff over here, my mask. I have my bag over there and right there. I think we're about ready to leave. I've checked every other little nook and cranny of the room. Now, I just want to share my final thoughts on this room. So, the Grand Floridian Resort. I really enjoyed my stay. It is such a lovely hotel that, you know, I really enjoy the aesthetics of the hotel, and not just because it's one of the most expensive hotels on property, but I just overall really like the aesthetics. I like the overall look, I like the feel of it. It's a really nice hotel, and I really want to come back and stay here again. Coda, on the other hand, she says that she'd rather stay at other hotels on property before coming back to this one. She's personally, you know, leaning more towards the Animal Kingdom Lodge, but she's an animal lover, so of course she's going to be leaning more towards that. Animal Kingdom Lodge is not quite my speed. Now, the overall, the hotel is really nice. The facilities here are really nice, but the rooms, you guys were not kidding. These rooms are in serious need of an update. And like over here on the bed, like let's zoom in on this. Like little things like this in the room where the bed is like coming apart and things like that. And the chairs, you can tell like the chairs are a little bit dirty. They've got some wear and tear on them. They've been really well used and haven't been replaced in a hot minute. There's, you know, real sketchy patchwork all over the walls from like either dents or scratches that they just tried to patch up, but it's extremely obvious. Kinda hard to tell on camera, but there are other like little stains and stuff on these chairs over here. The table's got scratches all over it. The cabinets under the kitchenette need some serious repair. Like, look at this, you open it up and there's that. The refrigerator has got some rust on it, some scratches. You know, I showed you this on the first day, the little scratches and stuff over here in the bathroom. And like you can see on the shower head, it doesn't look like it's been cleaned properly. Like it's very much foggy. And you know, up here, the way it looks, it's just, you know, little things like that. You know, those are just several of the examples that I can point out from this room, that it's just the little things like that that I don't really expect to see in such a high-class hotel and one of the most expensive hotels on property. You know, when I said that I was checking into the Grand Floridian, people immediately said those rooms are in serious need of renovation, and I'm agreeing with them. They need a serious rework. Now, I would love to come back and stay at this hotel, but only after it's renovated. Whenever it gets renovated, I would love to come back. But as of right now, for what you're paying, like I've looked up prices on these rooms that I'm staying in, and they're insane. they're insane. And, you know, you're getting, you know, stuff like this going on in a high-class hotel like this. I wouldn't find it acceptable, really. But I did get this room for free, so I'm not complaining too much. I really enjoyed my stay here. The room is still really comfortable, and I loved the ambiance and the hotel itself. It was really, really nice. But little things like that, I would not expect to see from a high-class Disney hotel room like this. And you guys might be thinking to yourselves, Adrian, you're being a little too harsh. You're nitpicking. You're going around looking for these things. I promise you, I'm not going around looking for these things. These are just things that I've noticed over the course of the last 4 days that I was here at this hotel. And I will point these things out because I don't come from a family of money. I don't have much money. It's a rarity to stay at a hotel like this. And, you know, these are just things that I notice if you're coming out here for the first time. You know, I don't turn a blind eye to these things just because, oh, I have the money to just come back another time and, you know, to get a different room or something. Like, these are things that I just noticed just because of my history, you know? Does that make any sense to you guys? Like, I'm not going around trying to find these things, but I'm just wanting to inform you that this is the situation with these rooms. Anyways, with all that being said, our time has come. It is time to depart room 1229 and head back to the car. But our day is not over yet. We are heading out to Disney's Animal Kingdom. I'm gonna be 100% honest with you folks. I am really going to miss this lobby. So long, Mr. Penguins. It was a blast seeing you every day for the last 4 days. You were always my favorite. I'll tell you guys one thing. Having the opportunity to stay at a monorail hotel, especially this one, has been an absolute dream come true. This is considered a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for me. Someone like me, I don't get to stay places like this. I just, you know, in my mind, like, I don't have the social and financial class to stay at a place like this, and being given the opportunity to stay at a place like this is just an absolute dream come true. And I just don't have the words to express how thankful I am to be given this opportunity. Green tea drinker, you have no idea how much I appreciate this and how much of a blast I had staying at this hotel. There was a lot that we did off camera that unfortunately you guys won't be able to see because this was just a little getaway for Coda and I. And I will forever remember this experience. And I just want to go, I just want to say I'm thankful. I just want to say thank you so much for those of you guys who watch the videos and who share the videos and like and comment. You guys have gotten me this far, and this opportunity would not have presented itself to me if it weren't for you guys in these videos. Like, I never in my wildest dreams imagined that the channel would get this far, where I would be, you know, given an opportunity like this. So from the bottom of my heart, everyone, thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to entertain you guys. And we got people all working on the lawn back here behind me. But this was overall still a phenomenal experience. I'll keep saying it. It was a phenomenal experience. The rooms, of course, do need work, but it was still a wonderful experience. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I know it was a little all over the place. It was a bit of a roller coaster ride with the hotel room review, but I just want to tell you guys thank you so much. If you enjoyed today's video, leave a like, subscribe if you're new around here, ring that bell, get notified whenever I upload a new video like this in the future. Hopefully I will have another opportunity like this in the near future, and you know, the goal is to stay at all the hotels around the Seven Seas Lagoon. So up next, Polynesian and or the Contemporary Resort. I really appreciate you guys watching today's video. I hope you are all having a wonderful day, morning, afternoon, evening, and I will see you guys in the next video.